Hi friends, my name is Katkam Sampath Kumar. I am working in UAE, United Arab Emirates, Ajman. My company name is Aran Fast Building Material Trading Co. Company address: New Industrial Area, Paniwala Road, beside Unisat Liquor Store, Ajman. TIANJIN Golden Bridge, MIG solid welding wire. JQ.MG50-6 made in China. AWS A5-18 ER70S-6. We have three types of MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. We are selling. First one, 0.8 mm MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. Second one, 1.0 mm MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. Third one is 1.2 mm MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. Approved by CCS, LR, BV, ABS, DNV, NK, KR, RS and TUB DB 42.133.01. Three types of MIG solid welding wires, 1 kg. Net weight 0.8 mm, 1.0 mm, 1.2 mm. Net weight is 1 kg. Three types of MIG wires, 1 kg. 0.8 solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. 0.8 solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. 1.0 MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. 1.0 MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. 1.2 MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg. 1.2 MIG solid welding wire. Net weight is 1 kg.